If you're looking forward to make the best pixie cut, then do not go anywhere. Watch this video to the end. Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be making a closure cut wig, closure pixie cut, and of course we're going to make use of the dome style wig cap, and this is the large size. So I'll fix this dome style wig cap on the head, mannequin head. Stretch it a little bit, especially when you do not know the head size of your client. It is always necessary to stretch it a little bit. And I'm going to go with a spa hair, unprocessed virgin hair. It comes with 3 bundles, but I already used some. And then I'm going to fix my needle with a thread. So I always make sure that I double the thread so that it can secure my wigs so well. Okay guys, so let me give this shout outs to Yaminsa8464. So she commented on one of my pixie cut video and she requested for closure pixie cut. So yeah, this video is for you.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young.
So this is a 16 inches closure hair, and I have already bleached the knot of the hair. I'm going to put this hair on the wig cap, pull it above the wig cap, a little above the wig cap, and then secure it with a needle or pins. So with cut wigs, it follows some steps. Pixie cut wigs are such that when you're watching the video, you shouldn't even think about the length of the video, because if you miss any step in the process, you end up losing a vital information. So I will advise that you take your time and then you watch this video to the end, because that is what you are here for. So we'll start by sewing or stitching the closure on the wig cap. So when you are sewing or when you are stitching, do not stitch on the elastic band. If you do that, it is going to prevent the elastic band from moving. So do not stitch on the elastic band. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you few steps to make a perfect closure cut wig.
And it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
Alright guys, so at this moment I would like to thank all my subscribers, my new subscribers, my old ones.
Pull stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be 2 hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake
Anytime I'm making a pixie cat wig, I always love to put down some measurements to guide me, because cat wigs are such kind of complicated. So I'll be measuring 0.5 centimeters to guide me in sewing this hair.
So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
So let's start our stitching. I'm going to use just a one bundle of hair to start the stitching, and with a starting point I always secure it so that the hair will not pull out. So anytime you're sewing your pixie cat, make sure you secure the starting point. It is very necessary.
From the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So guys, I would like to ask you to kindly subscribe to my channel. Please click on the subscribe button to be part of this family. And if you like the video so far, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Share this video. It might help someone out there.
The best we ever had, and we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. As the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So anytime you're about to end a stitch, as you did in the starting point, you secure it. But this time around, after you've secured your last stitch, you take it backwards a little and then you secure it again.
Our hearts beat to the city streets.
So I'm going to forward this stitch to this length.
From the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We began to feel the fire.
So at this point, I'm going to double the hair. So instead of one bundle, I'm going to be using 2 bundles from where I indicated my hand. One thing you must not do in pixie cut is turning the hair backwards for the next line. You should not turn the hair over to the next level. It is not done in cut hairs. Always cut it anytime you end a stitch. That is why it's called pixie cut. So it's all about cutting. So we are going to be doing the double hair, that is the double bundles hair to the next 4 lines. So meaning we'll be getting 5 double bundle before, then we move back to the single bundle. So after we've gotten our 5 double bundle, then we go back to the single bundle. I hope you are getting what I'm saying. So if you do this as I am showing you, your hair is going to be enough. But if you do it otherwise, you're going to short some hair, and this hair comes in 18 bundles, so 3 3 3, all 6 by 3, so making it 18 hair bundles. So this is how the hair turned out to be. Guys, stay tuned and watch the next video on how to shape this hair.